Managing the Risks in Hyper-Connected Digital World, Risk Management Training Course. Risk management is well practiced by businesses of all sizes. Small businesses do it informally, while enterprises codify it. Being unaware of a competitive risk can result in great loss of market share. Being unaware of a financial risk can be resulting into financial losses. Being aware of a safety risk can cause an accident, and so on. Why risk management is essential. Today's advanced connected digital world has created excessive new risks, while also making certain existing risks much more serious than they were only a few decades ago. Most experts in this area remark that successful risk management includes a framework for the actions, such as identifying risk, analyzing risk, ranking risk, treating risk. Risk Management Training Course by Tonex. Risk Management course will help widen your perspective to better understand your organization's vulnerabilities and protect it from disruptive events. Increase the strategic mindset to capitalize on new opportunities that occur as a result of a crisis. Grow a resilient organization in times of uncertainty and change. Achieve effective communication and messaging frameworks. Who should join this course? Tonex Risk Management course is a useful course for industry and organizational executives like senior executives, C-suite executives, entrepreneurs and board of directors who want to get a better handle on risk management. This training program is carefully designed for a range of senior leaders who are responsible for making high-stakes decisions to protect, prepare, or move their organization ahead. Want to learn more? Call Tonex experts today at 1-972-665-9786, Plano, Texas, USA, or visit tonex.com for risk management course and workshop detail.